130 knots. There's 180 knots. 200, oh my god, 220, 230, 250, 260, 270, over we go. Oh, we're skipping the warm-up, huh? Oh yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! Baby, oh, bring on the team! Going for the full Cuban. 2. Okay, here comes the first maneuver, which is going to be the full Cuban 8. Okay, there's 500 feet, 430 knots. And up we go. Flex those legs for me. Flex those legs, flex those legs. Coming back downhill. 45 degrees goes low, power's idle for a second, then coming back into max. Feel this acceleration forward. 2,000, 1,500, up we go.
Pull up.
Flex those legs, keep flexing those legs for me. There's 8 G's. 6 G's. Back down hills, or afterburners back in, and flex those legs. Going out front. High speed. 2. There's 0.9 Mach, 615 knots over the ground. Oh, it's a rocket ship. There's a big pull to the right. Big pull, keep those legs flexed, up we go. Out for the grip up. Exit gauge, upper body relaxed, take a good breath. There's G. Ease it off to reposition for the triple roll. Comes the triple roll, 3 rolls to the left. Okay, Sam, this is 250 knots right now. We're going to get the airplane slowed down. Feel that bump in the slow speed? Yeah. Now this is a good time in the demo to just take a breather, get some air back in you. Oh, I need it. Holy cow. Here comes the 4-point roll. 90 degrees, hesitation roll. Ready? 2. 1, 2, 3, and up we go. Mark zero light, continuing. Zero, continuing. Oh 2. My God! On my top, 6.8300. Good number. Oh, here we go. Big pull, Sam. Flex those legs. Good.
job you have. Holy.
That's just about 3 miles high in 20 seconds.
Oh my God, look at that.
So at this point, with my body on the verge of breaking and the demo almost complete, I had yet to pass out. But we still had one thing left: the minimum radius turn. Arguably the most violent flight maneuver to ever exist. A 20-second, 9G sustained turn at almost 500 miles per hour. My last 2 years of G-force training versus 20 seconds of hell. Stay awake, and I accomplish my goal.
There's 90 degrees nose low. Point you right at the ground, and here comes the pull back in. Great, Sam. Do me a favor and flex those legs. In about 2 seconds here, we're going to have a big pull to the right for the minimum radius turn.
All right.
Here we go. Flex those legs.
I'm with you. Barely.
Tower, press land right, pocket 50.
Copy 50, runway 2 right, 1070 at 9, clear to land.
Pocket 50, clear to land right. What you think, Sam?
I feel like I just got hit by a train, stomped on by an elephant, blended up in a blender. But that was hands down the craziest.
Best job in the world, dude. You did fantastic. You did great.
The craziest flight of my life. To everyone watching, I'm still smiling.